Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I wanted to do a get ready with me using all of my favorite products recently. I got a few new ones for Christmas and I absolutely love them. Also, if you guys want to know how I got this look with my hair, I did a video on it a little while ago on the waiver that I used to do my hair with. I used the setting 3 today. If you guys watch that video, you'll know what I mean. There's like 4 different settings to it. But yeah, if you guys want to see all my new favorite makeup products, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is the Brow Stylist Definer in the Ultra Fine Tip. I got my shade in Brunette. This is a new brow pencil I've got. I've kind of switched up my routine a little bit and I've started with my eyebrows first. I don't know. I guess because it's winter, I'm never really in a rush to leave the house, so I just kind of take my time doing my makeup lately. I've been grooming them myself, which, you know, I really need to go have a professional do them. All I do is brush around the outer edge. I kind of shape them up first, and then I go in and fill them. The thing that I love most about this tip is it's like so easy to make, like, I don't know, brow hairs kind of. Like, it really looks like a brow hair. You can tell the huge difference from this one to this one. I'm going to go ahead and fill this one in, and then I'm going to show you guys how I've been carving it out with concealer lately, because I have been taking that extra step a lot. Now that I got my brows filled in, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This has just been my favorite concealer. I have not switched up. I don't have a reason to. I actually need to buy a new one though, because this one is getting low. And I've been taking my Morphe 421 brush, and that's what I've been using to carve out my eyebrows with. I do it before I go in with my foundation and everything, just so it doesn't look like too bold and dramatic. And I just kind of follow the shape that I made. Typically, I would take a little bit of concealer and put it on the back of my hand, and then go ahead and dip the brush in that. Because I'm running low on concealer right now, it's not really a big deal that all I do is take the brush and just rub it on that. I am running really low. And then I carve around the top part here as well. I just feel like this makes my brows look so much nicer. I never used to do this. I didn't like to take the extra time on them, but I went so long without even filling in my brows at all that, I don't know, I miss doing it. I feel like I haven't done a beauty video in so long, or a makeup's favorite, so I don't know. I just really felt like doing one today. One of my favorite presents I got for Christmas, my boyfriend got me the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. You guys, I mean, that's like the best packaging I've ever seen on a palette. If I were gonna make a palette ever, this is probably like the style I would go with. I love the cute like pictures and everything. Like, I love making mood boards and stuff, so this is just like perfect. Along the edge it says, "You're not lost, you're born to run." Just thought that was so cute. I was so excited that he got me this. Here's all the shades. I know this is not a new palette, but everybody's raved about it. I think it was pretty much in everybody's favorites for 2018, and I got it at the end for Christmas, and I was really excited. I think I kind of want to go pink today. I don't know why. I really want to do pink. So, I'll show you guys. Alright. First, I'm going to go in with the color Still Shot. I'm going to use a little bit of that, and actually I think I'm going to mix it with Weekender and use that in the crease. I've been using this pretty much every day. I mean, I'm a little biased that this is one of my favorite palettes I own because he got it for me, so I mean, that just kind of automatically makes it my favorite. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bold here and try to go in with Wild Heart. And I'm going to take Wild Heart and try to put that all over my lid. I think I'll still just use a fluffy brush. Hell Ride right here, the little bit of darker shade. And I'm going to put that in the outer corners. I did end up picking up the MAC Fix Plus, the Prep and Prime spray. I just got the little mini bottle. Like, I can't believe now that I haven't gotten it sooner. I know every YouTuber uses it, and I was just like, I don't need it, and just putting it off, yeah. I love this stuff, and I haven't used it with this palette yet. Stick to using just one palette, but for this one shade, like, I don't know why, I just feel like using it. I'm going to go in with my Sweet Peach palette, and I really want to use Luscious right here. It's like my favorite shade, and I can just see it kind of looking okay with this pink. The eyes, I'm going to go in with foundation just to clean that up. My favorite foundation I've been loving lately is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. This has been all I've been using for like the last month. So for Christmas, I ended up getting my Drunk Elephant skincare and some Origins. And ever since I started up my skincare routine, like my skin is so much nicer. Like if you guys notice, I don't have a lot of breakouts right now. I was really struggling with that the last few months, like really bad. And my skin was just so dry. I couldn't wear any of these products. I'm so excited that my skin's been doing so much better. I hated this foundation at first. Like I didn't hate it. I guess hate is a strong word. But I didn't like it when I had my dry skin. I loved the way that it looked when I first applied it. I loved the coverage. I so badly wanted to be able to wear it, but every time I would wear this, like wherever my dry patches were, which was around my chin really bad, it would like cling to it. Now all I've been doing is moisturizing my face every morning, and the moisturizer I use is making that work great. I just love it. I mean, oh, this is just my favorite foundation. I've been so happy with it. I just love the way that it looks, and I love the full coverage. Another thing I've been doing a lot lately that's been a lot better for my skin, I'm trying to use my camera to do this with. I've been drinking a lot more water, and that seems to have made a huge difference. Now I know this is gonna seem weird, but I've just been like putting my concealer on and blending it out with my fingers. I mean, it's not like my hands aren't clean. I always wash my hands before I do my makeup just in case I need to use them, and you know, whatever. I wash my hands so much that that's getting really dry. I need to start using a hand moisturizer, because just during the winter and like with how much I clean and wash my hands, it's just, my skin is definitely starting to feel it. But I don't know. That's all I've been doing, and then I'll try to like blend out the edges a little bit just so there's not like a harsh difference between my foundation and my concealer. And I've just been patting that in with the brush, but because, I don't know, it's just weird doing my eyes first and then going in with concealer. I worry about messing it up. So yeah, that's how I do that. For contouring, I grabbed two different products, and I got the Makeup Revolution Pro HD contouring palette. So this is the one, and this is in light or fair anyways. So this one I'll typically use like this and these two shades right there, but I don't think I'm going to go in with it today, honestly, because I also picked up the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I cannot believe this is the first time I've tried this product. It's been out for so long, and it was like everybody's favorite. It kind of, I don't know, when I saw that palette, it reminded me of this, and I really wanted to pick it up. It was on sale, so I don't know if it's like going away or something. It was just kind of odd, you know? And then my Ulta isn't even selling Physicians Formula anymore. I was so upset about that, because all like summer long, like while I had my dry skin, my favorite foundation was the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula. And I was gonna go pick up a new shade because the one I have doesn't match me all that well. Like I have to make it work a little bit, so I was just gonna get one shade lighter, and my Ulta just didn't have it. I mean, the Walmart in my town does, but I wasn't there that day, so yeah. And then I switched over to loving this foundation. I'm just doing that real quick today. Usually what I'll do is I'll contour with this, bronze up the face with this, and then highlight like the under eyes and a little bit of the nose and stuff, which I might still do that. I don't like the packaging of this. Maybe that's why it's going on sale. Maybe they're changing the packaging. That would be nice. You know, it's got that big open compartment, and then it's got the brush inside of it. I don't know. I normally won't use this. Typically I'll throw them out, but that one's okay. It's not the worst. I've been skipping blush entirely and just going in with highlight, and my favorite's still been the Milani Afterglow highlighter. I used it in my glowy makeup tutorial video a long time ago over the summer, and I'm just still obsessed with it. I've switched. I've got so many highlighters I love that honestly it just kind of depends on my mood that day. But I don't know. I love this one. Now obviously I like don't go light on it. But yeah, lately I've just been doing like a little bit of contour and then highlighting the crap out of my face. And the tip of my nose. Hey guys, so before I could finish up my camera died on me. I took a little bit of time and it got overheated, so I had to shut it down for a minute, and all I did was finish up my eyes. I put on my eyeliner and then I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and then threw on a NYX liquid lipstick, and yeah, this is how the look turned out. So yeah, I had a lot of fun showing you guys like all my recent favorites, how I've been doing my makeup lately. Obviously, I went with the pink look today for the eyes. I don't typically do that. I'll usually go with more of a neutral shade, but I don't know, I wanted to play around with the palette. I hadn't really done a fun color with it in a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.